Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bray 2 times back again with another vlog, you feel me? And hopefully my face in the camera, cause I just did this like 3 times and I ain't doing it no more, you feel me? My face was in the camera, but you feel me? Today we got another vlog, man. I'm about to go to my cousin's house and yeah, we about to go walk around somewhere, find something to do on a chill Sunday, you feel me? Ain't nothing too much for me. You know, y'all ain't gonna see this on Sunday because all that, yeah. But yeah, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, man. You already know what the vibes is, man. You know what the vibes is with me, eh? You know what it do when I do what I do. Buckle my shoe. Feel me? Real quick though, drip check. Hold up, you feel me? Got the LA hat, you feel me? Got the high school long sleeve warm up on. Got some Nike shorts. You know you can't tell they Nike, but real Nike people know it's Nike. Got the white Nike socks. You feel me? That's all I wear. Got the ashy legs. Too hot for that lotion. You feel me? Got the Vapor Maxes. Hold up, peep the Vapor Maxes though, boys. Stop playing with me. I do this drip junk. You feel me? I do this. You feel me? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. But yeah, you feel me? I'm a damn it. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to my cousin's house. All right, Lord. That boy Kites.
Oh,
Niggas look like Harry Potter.
that's what I said.
Hey.
It's really not raining that hard. It's just drizzling.
Yeah, it has started and it stopped near my house.
Are you vlogging everything?
Yeah, we had the cousin Pat. Might as well.
My shit a little dusty, but fuck it.
We out here, babe. You know the vibes. That boy got a monitor screen. We out here, you feel me?
You want to just go while it's drizzling like this?
Yeah, it don't even matter. We could go.
Alright, let me just.
Cousin Pat, you already know the vibes. We about to go on this little walk or whatever. Feel me? But you can't tell nobody where it's at. It's low key, so shh. Yeah, we out here. Hold up. Rain, you feel me? I'm gonna have to bleep that out though. No cap. Couple thousand. Drip check. Hold up. Versace glasses on the frames. You feel me? You feel me? What is that? Supreme hand shirt on the head. You feel me? Little throwaway. Hold up. Supreme t-shirt, long sleeve. Y'all ain't never see that before. Hold up. Sweatpants, shorts, and then the crop drip. Crop drip. Hold up. Crop drip. Hold up. Hold up. And you already know Nike on the socks. You already know how it is. Nike on the socks. Bella trying to go crazy, bro. This one stupid. I wonder how the waterfall is. That junk be crazy. I used to go by that waterfall by the Maplewood Y when I had that big brother, big sister program. Yeah, right under by the Rose Garden.
Yeah.
Little rain can't stop drip. For me, it's probably raining because of the drip. No cap.
Drip or down.
For me, drip or drown. We drowning and dripping, sipping, ripping and tipping, licking, finger licking good. I'm in the hood. Tell her what's up. Stand it up. I had to kick her out because she couldn't make it stand up. But I'm not a rapper though, and I'm not a capper though. Yeah, I'm sitting down on one knee. Call me Colin Kaepernick. I don't even know how to say his name. That was about to be high if I knew how to say his name, but. You know, I noticed your mom didn't even question where he's going. She's like, where you going? The waterfall? Okay. Where you going? Sell drugs? Okay.
Bro, I brought my dog home yesterday. She was tripping. She was like, She was asleep though, but I'm like, fuck, man. She told me something. I'm like, he not even the pit bud, chill. And he not gonna get no bigger.
See that though? Rochester got artists out here. You feel me? We out here. I don't know what that say, but you know the vibes. We out here. We out here. Sincerely heartbroken. Stabbed in our back. Oh, that don't look tough. Zoomed all the way way out, our legs look dumb long. You feel me? Iced out Apple Watch, you feel me? Iced out Apple Watch, you feel me? We out here. I'll jump in that water right now for 5 likes on the video. No cap. That's big cap.
Water in the middle, that jump over.
Oh yeah, I'll jump in that right now. I ain't gonna put my phone over that though. If my jump falls, I'm sad. They made a little pathway and everything.
I think this is the city that did this. That they be fixing that fix. And people be breaking it. Like, what y'all trying to jump over the waterfall? Oh.
They got little stair steppies. Hey. Oh, shoot a music video back here like, hey, boy, don't let the wind blow that nothing alone. Are you serious? Hey, go over there, though. Huh?
That right there, that wasn't right there last time.
Probably because somebody had to figure out how to get back up here.
I just climbed up that. This that music video shit, watch it.
We out here. You feel me?
Y'all got the color.
Well, I guess I say it'd be at nighttime. You gangster for real. Show them how you gangster for real. How we do it in the fam, you feel me? We take risks out here, friend. Ain't nobody scared of none of that. You feel me? We out here. We own this. This is our land. That boy gangster Rezil. That boy don't put his foot in the water though. I dare you to swim from right there to there.
Hell nah.
You seen the video?
You see how short that shit is?
That boy gonna be gone. You see. Jump out and bite my finger off.
Come on, let me see. Do it again for the camera. Oh shit.
We out here. Yo, it's your boy Ray out here. We out here, man. I was the fat dude remember he was fighting like. You can see back up on the climb.
And he up there.
We out here, man. We out here, man. Touchdown, touchdown. Touchdown, touchdown. We tried one field goal, and I missed that jump versus McQuaid. We ain't never tried field goal again. I missed extra points too. I ain't gonna lie. I think I had like 9 or 10 extra points that I made. I missed I was like 10 for like 25 or some shit. Or 10 for 20.
What's good, y'all, man? As you could tell, I'm back at the crib, man. And yeah, it's a few days later. I forgot to record once I got home, and I just been too lazy and too busy just doing mad stuff. But yeah, nice little vid, man. Make sure you go comment, like, subscribe, man. Vlogs coming, man. Reactions coming, man. What the ones coming, man. Everything coming. So, yeah, make sure you go like, comment, subscribe again. Keep on like, subscribe, and do